back on the record in two case numbers. Calls this 60C02-2507-P0445 and 60C02-2507-P0446. It is now 11:03 a.m. We will note that for the purposes of the record, Lisa Steelwalt appears in person in the Owen Circuit Court 2 courtroom, that Lisa Cochran appears via the Zoom platform, and that Wendy Klimkowski also appears via the Zoom platform. We took a recess to allow time for Ms. Cochran and Ms. Klimkowski to review, in Ms. Cochran's case, Exhibit 19, and Ms. Klimkowski's case, the chance to review Exhibits 16, 17, 18, and 19. I want to quickly address whether there are any legal objections to 16, 17, 18, or 19, as we had discussed before, and then I'll address the remainder of the hearing going forward. So, Ms. Cochran, do you have any legal objection at this time to Exhibits 16, 17, 18, or 19?
No.
All right, and Ms. Klimkowski, do you have, and thank you, Ms. Cochran. Ms. Klimkowski, do you have any legal objections to 16, 17, 18, or 19?
No.
All right, so we will show that Exhibits 16 through 19 are now admitted. All right, Ms. Steelwalt, do you have any additional exhibits that you wish for the court to consider here today?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
One excuse. There was a document on Exhibit 12. It's for judge's eyes only pertaining to my granddaughter.
Ma'am, you didn't tell me that before it was admitted.
We can admit that, then it's just...
It's already been admitted.
Okay.
I don't know. Ms. Cochran and Ms. Klimkowski, do you have this Exhibit 12 that says for judge's eyes only? I have been in hearings. I have not had a chance to review them, so I have no idea what's on Exhibit 12. I have no idea.
I do.
Secret part that says for judge's eyes only on it or not. Did you provide it to the two respondents?
No, because it pertains to my minor granddaughter's medical condition, and that's why I didn't want the respondents to be aware of it. I thought if there was anything that you need to understand about my minor granddaughter, it can be omitted if that's a problem.
I'm going to omit. I'm going to ask that I have not reviewed it. I'm going to ask that the court reporter pull Exhibit 12. Actually,
just the judge's eyes only, if that's...
So Ms. Cochran and Ms. Klimkowski, the court reporter is removing that part. I have not reviewed it, and I am not reviewing it. I am currently letting the court reporter do it so that I do not consider whatever is in Exhibit 12 that is indicated for judge's eyes only.
Not the entire exhibit, just one letter.
Okay.
If that clarifies.
Okay, Ms. Cochran and Ms. Klimkowski, the court reporter has removed the portion of Exhibit 12 that was previously marked as for the judge's eyes only, and she has, if you see the bailiff walking across the screen now, that is actually now being returned to Ms. Steelwalt. I have not seen a copy of it. I have not reviewed it. I have no idea what was in it other than the oral assertion that Ms. Steelwalt had just indicated. Are you okay with that, Ms. Cochran?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So the court reporter removed the portion of Exhibit 12 that indicated for judge's eyes only, and the bailiff then took that and gave it back to Ms. Steelwalt. I have not reviewed it. I have not seen it. I have no idea what is in it other than what Ms. Steelwalt had just indicated orally. Are you okay with that, Ms. Cochran?
Yes, I'm okay with it, but she doesn't have guardianship over her granddaughter, so...
Ma'am, okay. And then, Ms. Klimkowski, are you okay with that course of action there?
Yes.
Okay. With apologies, we need to reset this hearing. I apologize that the 10 o'clock hearing went longer than I thought, but it is what it is. What we're going to do is, on the court's own motion to allow sufficient time, we're going to reset this case to October the 17th, 2025 at 2 p.m. Again, October 17th, 2025 at 2 p.m. Excuse me. I made
Could you
a,
repeat that, sir? Sorry.
yes. The date is October the 17th. The time is 10 a.m. I originally said 2 p.m. and I misquoted. So your cases will be reset to October 17th, 2025 at 10 a.m. To Ms. Cochran and Ms. Klimkowski, the court will authorize you to appear remotely for that hearing on October the 17th, 2025 at 10 a.m. The the court reporter will email you both a Zoom link for the hearing on that date and time. You will be permitted to appear remotely again. I will make that finding on the court's own motion that you are authorized under the Indiana administrative rules to appear remotely due to the fact that Ms. Cochran, I believe you live in northern Indiana, and Ms. Klimkowski, I believe you live in the state of Pennsylvania. In the meantime, I'm going to issue a separate order that my court reporter doesn't know about yet. I'm going to order that the parties exchange all exhibits on or before
You know what?
Hold on, Ms. Cochran. Okay, I'm going to order, with regard to the exhibits, because I'm allowing this to appear remotely, because I'm allowing this hearing to continue on remotely. On or before 4 p.m. on October 14th. We're all on the Eastern time zone, right?
Yes.
All right. On or before 4 p.m. on October 14th, 2025, I am ordering that every party exchanges all exhibits. Now, Ms. Steerwalt, if you don't have any additional exhibits beyond 1 through 19 that have already been admitted, you do not need to do that. But if you come into court requesting Exhibit 20 that they haven't seen and that I haven't seen, you're going to need to have a very good reason why Exhibit 20 is coming in late. Or 21, 22, 23, 24.
What is that?
Can I respond?
No. Ms. Cochran and Ms. Klimkowski, I do not know if you wish to present any evidence or exhibits on your cases, but you will also be required to email to Ms. Steerwalt or provide it by paper mail as long as it arrives by October 14th at 4 p.m. Any exhibits that you may have in your defense, you need to provide those to Ms. Steerwalt. Do you have any questions on that, Ms. Cochran?
I do not have her email, sir.
Ms. Klimkowski?
Yes.
I thank you for telling me that. I'll acknowledge that you don't have any questions. Ms. Cochran, do you have any questions on that?
Can I make a statement?
About?
I want no more mail sent to my house from her. I want nothing to do with this lady. I want her to leave me alone. I've asked her several times. I am scared to death of what this woman is going to do. I do not want, all she's going to do is watch my videos and she will submit it into evidence. I don't care if I sing a song or I say something. I will not accept no more mail from her. I will not be signing no more priority mail. I want this put on the record that this woman has me scared to death. I now have cameras surrounding my home. My husband is an end-stage kidney failure. I have bigger things and bigger problems to worry about than to worry about every video I make on TikTok begging this woman to stay. Leave me alone. Leave my granddaughter alone. Leave my family alone. She has done background checks on my entire family. This woman is deranged, and I am scared, and she is only 3 hours from me. I will not accept no more mail from her. None.
All right, Ms. Cochran, you've noted your position for the record.
I sure do.
I am ordering the parties to exchange the evidence that they wish for me to consider by October the 14th, 2024 at 4 p.m. Exchange it in the method you see fit. I will see everyone back in court on October the 17th, 2025 at